Hello! Today I'm doing a quick little unboxing and review of the Naked Wolfe Spike platform boots. I ordered them from a reseller on Depop and I'm just excited to unbox them and try them on for you. So let's get into it. I got this big package here. Seems like a shoe box. So Naked Wolfe has been a big Instagram brand, and I actually found out about them just this year. So some of my favorite creators like Onda Queen and Tara O'Neill have featured Naked Wolfe on their Instagram page. So when I saw these on sale on Depop, I decided to get them. They were a little bit cheaper than the original sale price, and hopefully they are in the condition the seller described, which is brand new. So I believe the shoes retail for $265 on the website plus shipping from Australia, I believe, and I got mine for $250 including shipping in the US, so I guess it's kind of a better deal than ordering directly from the website. So I'm usually a US size 7 or 37 EU. Hopefully these shoes fit. Pardon me if my hair looks a little wet. I got caught in the rain. August is thunderstorm season where I live, so we've been experiencing a lot of that lately. So here's the box. I have the Spike shoes in white. Here's the inside of the box. Logo tissue paper. The bags for the shoes. Individual bags for each of the shoes. That's very nice. And also some brand new laces. So yeah, this does look promising so far. These do look like they are in brand new condition, which is a good thing. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful, chunky platform shoe. I think it'll be great for wearing to festivals or concerts. I think I'm gonna try wearing them to my Madeon concert later this month. So these are the shoes, both of them. They are in fact brand new, no wear on the soles, and they came with extra laces, which is great. I'm gonna pop on some socks and then try them on for you. So here are the shoes. Maybe this isn't the best angle, but it's hard to get them in the shot. They are a little bit tight. I'm gonna finish lacing them up, and then maybe I'll try putting together a little outfit for you guys. Alright, so here they are. I think I'm gonna put on an outfit to go with these, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I just put on the IMG corset top and my little Daniel Quizio tennis skirt, and of course the boots. I think this is pretty cute. Here's the full body shot. These platforms are surprisingly comfortable. They're just a little bit tight right now, but they are leather, so I feel like they would stretch out with wear. So I think I'm gonna hold on to these. Maybe if I feel like they're too tight, I will try to trade them with someone else. who has a larger size, or just resell them on my Depop. But I am in love. They are really comfortable to walk in. I was worried that the platforms would be a little unstable, but they're really light, comfortable, and yeah, really happy with them. I would recommend these if you're looking for a stable festival shoe. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I do have a large Reformation haul video in the works, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And thank you to all the new subscribers. I've recently been getting a lot of views on my collective summer haul, so thank you for that. Hope you all have a good day. Bye!